Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is just not working or closes immediately upon opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the reasons may vary from a compatibility failure with an update, problems with the dependencies, or system file corruptions. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear Microsoft Store cache. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na ws reset.exe. Alright, so just type the command keyword na ws reset.exe. That is one word. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yung command keyword na ws reset para mag-back to default yung Microsoft Store at ma-fix yung error. Alright, so makikita mo na dito nag-back to default na po siya and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable proxy connections. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to press again the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na inetcpl.cpl. Alright, so just type the command keyword inet. So inetcpl.cpl, that is one word. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then this will open the internet options. So ang next step, so dito lang sa kanyang internet properties ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung connections type dito sa taas. So i-click mo lang tong connections tab. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung local area network or the LAN settings. So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung LAN settings. And then i-click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo dito yung local area network settings. Ang next step ay dito lang sa proxy server. So once naka-check ito ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong use a proxy server for your LAN. So uncheck mo lang yan. Alright, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And the next solutions we will do is to run store app troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Store App. Ayan. So once tinype mo na dito and automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung Windows Store Apps. And then i-click mo lang dito yung Open. And then dito sa ating Windows Store Apps troubleshoots, so makikita mo dito yung Advanced. So click mo lang yan. And then dapat naka-apply reverse automatically, dapat naka-check tong box. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung next sa baba. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Alright, so once complete na po siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-follow kung ano yung makikita mo ditong procedure. So for example, enable user account control, so dapat i-click mo yan. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Store Apps Troubleshooters, and the next solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. And dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click or i-tap mo tong installed apps. And dito lang sa installed apps or search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft Store. Ayan. So automatic naman mga kaibigan, once na-type mo tong Microsoft Store dito sa search app, ay mag-a-appear kagad dito Microsoft Store Corporations o Microsoft. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then itap mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa advanced option, scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. So itap mo lang tong repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And the next step, so if this app is still isn't working right, and then kailangan na natin itong i-reset. So itap mo lang dito yung reset. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then itap mo lang tong reset. And wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. And then after dito sa reset procedure, and then close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store not working or closes immediately after opening on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.